Okay, so this is the continuation of the previous video, just go through it. So next what we were discussing about the statement. So statements are the instructions to perform the some specific operations. So based on the instructions of these statements, computer operate accordingly. Okay, and they may be input statement and they may be output statements, they may be arithmetic statements, they may be control statements and other statements also. Okay, based on the statements our computer can perform the operations. Okay, and they also include comments. So comment means it is a explanatory note where we can add some comments. Okay, so here I have given the comments are enclosed within forward slash and star and end with star and a forward slash. Whatever the statement you write within this within this comment, that statements are ignored by the compiler. These statements are not compiled and executed. Only we can keep it that for our knowledge purpose. Okay, means these statements will not be compiled and executed. Okay, so the statements are the instructions to perform some specific operation. The statement may be anything. It may be input output statement, it may be arithmetic, it may be control, or whatever the statements you are using. So based on those statements our computer perform accordingly. Okay, these are the statements. The last one is a user defined functions. As we have a main functions in the program or in every C program, you may also have a user defined function. User means we all are the user, we all are the means whoever write the program and execute, those are all called a user. Okay, user defined function means these are the sub programs. Okay, if you divide the program into sub program, that sub program is nothing but user defined functions or user defined program. Okay, these functions must be declared by the user. Okay, generally sub program is a function and the user defined function contains a set of statements to perform a specific task, and these are written by the user, hence these are called user defined function. And these user defined functions may be written before or after the main function. You can define these functions anywhere in the program, before the main function or after the main function, but these functions are declared by the user, hence these are called the user defined function. Okay, so these are the this is the basic structure of the C program. Okay, that is a preprocessor statement, global declaration. Preprocessor statement means where we add some header files, okay, to perform the input and output functions. Next, the global declarations means, so this global declaration must be defined before the main functions, and whatever the variables you declared in the global, those variables can be accessed within the main function and after the main function also, means within the main function or outside the main function also. Those are global variable declarations. And a main function means this is a main part of the program or a C program where each and every instruction and declarations will be stored. Okay, so main and that parenthesis I have given, opening parenthesis and closing. So in that function everything will be stored. So according to that our program will be executed, means our main program is begins from the main function also, main program only. Okay, so without any main function there is no C program and your program will not be executed. And after that there are a opening curly brace and a closing curly brace. Opening curly brace contains beginning of the main program, beginning of the main function, and a closing end of the main program or end of the main function. And within that whatever the variables you declare, whatever the statements you declare, that must be declared within the main functions. And if you define any variable, if you declare any variable outside the main function, okay, those are called a global variable declaration. And here we have some user defined functions, means user can also define some variables and some functions in our program. Those are user defined functions. Okay. So, this is about a basic structure of a C program. Just go through the video, try to understand, and anyhow I will share the notes also. Okay. Thank you.